Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on US Highway 61 in Wabasha County, Minnesota. We begin as we enter the city of Minneiska, which was platted in 1854 and given the native Dakota language name for the Whitewater River. Minnieska lies on the border of Wabasha and Winona counties, and we'll be crossing that county line in just a moment. Minnieska had an estimated population of 108 as of 2019. The town is visible to the right, nestled among the bluffs. We enter Winona County, which has a population of 49,671 as of the 2020 census. Originally part of the Wisconsin Territory, land west of the Mississippi River was not included when Wisconsin was granted statehood in 1848. The Minnesota Territory was established in 1849. The area was included in Wabasha County until 1853, when the county was partitioned to form Fillmore County to the south. Then a year later, the northern part of Fillmore County was partitioned to form Winona County, as it remains to this day. The county name was taken from the village name, which is said to derive from a Dakota legend about a woman, Winona, a relative of Chief Wabasha, who was betrothed to a warrior she did not love. Rather than marry him, she jumped to her death from a rock on Lake Pepin, now called Maiden's Rock. We enter Minnesota City, which has been bypassed by US Highway 61. The city, which lies to the left-hand side of the highway, was platted in 1852 and has had a post office in operation ever since. Minnesota City had an estimated population of 187 as of 2019. We enter the city of Goodview, which had an estimated population of 4,109 as of 2019. In 1946, a group of the original residents started a drive to incorporate an independent village called Goodview. 336 of the original inhabitants of Goodview agreed that almost 800 acres of land, occupied by numerous watermelon farms and sand and gravel sites, should become independent. Today, major industries located within the city include a design, testing, and electronic component manufacturer, automotive engine rebuilding equipment manufacturer, composite raw material manufacturer, a heat, light, and power company, a garment manufacturer, a tire retreading plant, formed wire parts designer and manufacturer, truck leasing and freight haulers, wholesale institutional suppliers, lighting designers and manufacturers, underground and building contractors, and building material manufacturers and distributors. We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Winona. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.